This is our seal-mitted boy. Rebecca likes to call him Sebastian. Sebastian. He is 10 weeks old. This is one of the kittens produced by RaynbowsRagdoll. He likes to play and he loves to attack feet. This is his sister. She is a blue point. This is the blue mitted female. Hi, baby. This is our seal point female. So this is the seal point female right here. This is the blue mitted female. That's the blue point female from RaynbowsRagdoll. Get it, get it. They love to play. But even as playful as they are not nearly as rambunctious and crazy as a lot of cats are. Even at this age. This is the seal point female. Oh, this is Blaze. It is a seal mitted with the blaze on her nose. Babies. Babies! Here are 4 of the babies right now. Our seal point female. That is Blaze. 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 This is Dad. This is Elmo. Hi, Elmo. So the seal point female is going to grow up looking a lot like Dad. As they age, they will get their full color by the time they are 4 years old. Most of the color will be in by about a year and a half old, but they will continue to darken until they reach their full color at approximately 4 years old. Elmo. Look at those beautiful blue eyes. Oh, yeah. Elmo is 5 years old now. Can I see Sebastian? Hey, Sebastian. Sebastian. There's our blue point again. Babies! Come here, babies. I'm sorry, did I say there's a blue point? That is the blue mitted. There's the blue point. The males from Elmo, as you can see, Elmo lives free in our house. He is never caged. He has a very unique quality that he does not spray, even though he is obviously an intact male. And that is a trait that he does pass on to his male offspring. Say bye-bye.